the last 10 weeks, I made 10 paintings. Each painting symbolizing the emotion I went through that week. In week one, I took some time off work, went to my hometown, met my mom, reconnected with my family, and felt eternal peace in my heart. So I painted beautiful swans under moonlight to show a peaceful emotion. In the next week, I was super excited because I was visiting Ahmedabad to celebrate Navratri with my sister. So I asked myself, what's that one color that brings me joy? And the answer was violet. My joy ended soon because in the next week I tripped through the stairs and broke my ankle. I was afraid as I couldn't do much, so I ended up painting these cold, snowy mountains on a dark, gloomy night. Things settled down. It was time to celebrate Diwali and pay our gratitude to the universe for everything. So I painted a rising sun with multiple colors on the canvas and rising balloons as our wishes. I'm grateful for everything. The next week was my anniversary and love was in the air. Pictures of my first Paris trip popped up in Google Memories and I wanted to paint something light and easy. Here's the result. I believe in love, so should you. Next week had a bit of a sad vibe, and the major reason is overthinking. Sometimes we give too much footage to what others think about us and forget about living our own life. So here's a peachy sunset because sadness deserves validation too. I'm going through a major career transformation and need all the courage that I could muster. So I painted a golden wave at sunset, which rises to crash only to rise again. Next one was a happy week because it was my birthday. So I wanted to paint something that represents me. So I asked myself, what do I stand for? Evolution, growth, and transformation. However, I ended up painting a Cinderella because every girl wants to be treated like a princess on her birthday. And today I wanted to paint something about hope. Normally, I'm a hopeless person when it comes to hope. But sunflowers, sunlight, and nature definitely bring positive vibrations. So, if you are someone like me struggling with hope, this is your sign that good things are about to happen. So, after a hopeful week, I am back in my anxious zone. I have too many emotions in my mind, and I feel as if I'm standing in front of an ocean and cannot see the end. I'm going through a big career change, and I do not know how it's going to turn out to be. My brain right now is as chaotic as the colors on this sheet. This is a painting I'm not particularly proud of, but it is what it is. So here's a summary of all my 10 paintings. Watch and enjoy. Shortcut tutorials are on Instagram and long ones are on YouTube. Enjoy.